After a long, hot, grueling day of hard work up at the cottage, there's only one beer cold enough, crisp enough, crushable enough to quench a Cottage Coach-sized thirst. Cottage Coach, the official beer of Cottage Coach. Cottage Coach is not actually a beer. Yet.
Adam Holman's at the cottage. Adam Holman loves the cottage the most. He will fetch you a beer, he can teach you to steer, he can knock any boat, he will teach you to float, knows his way around the queue and the bonfire too. Adam Holman is the Cottage Coach.
Yo dude, it's Chris. I talked to my folks and they're totally cool with us shooting up at their place. I promised my mom we'd leave it cleaner than we found it, and I promised my dad that we'd leave any leftover beer for him in the fridge. Although you and I both know there will be zero beer left over. Looking forward to getting up there, building some cool stuff. I'll see you soon. Later.
We like to have a kind of a rustic vibe here, but at some point the rustic's got to go and it's time to replace it with something that's maybe a little bit more functional.
Yeah.
There's a Firebox.
This is it. Oh my goodness. It's
the old wood bin.
Yeah, it looks pretty. How long has this been standing here?
35 years probably.
35,000 years?
It's not even flush to the wall, so snow comes down here in the winter, gets on the wood.
Yeah, like up in here there's a gap too. Look at the shingles, they're starting to come up. Dude, you know what your hat reminds me of? You know the hats with the hair built in? People pay good money for those.
The wing visor.
Yeah.
So what do you think, just get rid of it, start from scratch?
Yeah, why don't we just clear everything out and we'll start from the bottom up, we'll level it, we'll build a nice new firebox.
Okay.
So Chris's family wants, well, needs a new firebox. We're gonna build them something functional that will keep their wood dry for years to come. But first, we gotta tear down the old one. And that's where the crew comes in. We cleared away Chris's old wood bin. We got a blank slate to work with. I got this really cool idea to build this dual pyramid design that I think will look really cool back there.
Dude, don't forget the sponsor.
Oh yeah. And we're using Western red cedar. So we did a test cut at 60 degrees and it looks like it's gonna work perfectly. I'm gonna grab 2 more boards that are gonna be the other side of the frame, and then we're gonna beef up the middle with some support. I'm using asphalt corrugated sheets for the roof. It's just a lot easier than shingling. Our pathway down the side is a little narrow, so I'm gonna take a little bit off the side with my circular saw. These sheets are 36 by 79 inches, and you can easily cut them to whatever size you need. I'm laying out 2x6 and 2x4s to frame the underside of the corrugated sheets. Then, we'll fasten everything together with 3-inch deck screws. For larger structures like ours, be sure to add a few extra 2x4 supports to beef it up. Can you help me with the other side? Thanks. Can I get a hand with this, please? Can I get some more hands here? I'm adding cross braces to the top and the bottom of both the front and the back of the structure to hold everything together. This way, your structure can be completely open front to back, making loading wood much easier. When roofing, start from the bottom and work up. I'm using the coated nails and washers that match the roofing. They'll make the roof watertight and leak-free. I repurposed a few of the leftover boards from the old wood bin. We also leveled our new structure with some bricks under each corner. What a day and what a fun build that was. Everyone in the crew worked so hard to bring that project together, and now it's time to enjoy some steaks over an open fire. Cheers. What a day.
Yeah, buddy.
That was great.
Good.
No, well, now I have to cut.
Yeah, we can't fake a bite. That doesn't work.
Wait, why can't I fake a bite?
Because it's on camera. You can't fake a bite and then
See,
not
like,
eat it
fake
and
it, and
then
then we
like stay on the
continue.
shot. That doesn't make any sense.
Oh yeah. Guess we have to do another take.
All right.
Let's
do
check it out.
Let's do it again. Yeah, see how it is.